Uptown Swing.
That's right.
Level 1 Charleston.
Peter, Naomi.
Go a little something like this. We did kickaways.
One,
Rock,
two,
step,
three,
kick,
4, 5,
double
6,
kick.
7,
It's at
8.
5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can get right back out of it if I want on the 5. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we got around the world. You got double kick, single, double kick. That's leading and following, y'all. And we're done.
If you want to practice a little at home, remember we did that good work with the single kicks.
Go,
Single
Naomi.
Kick, single kick. Not having 2 feet on the ground at the same time. And then we practice turning with it. Same thing for those double kicks. Double kick, not aiming for one direction at a time. Remember that leg underneath you is the one that's going to be strong. And that was it.
Yeah.